My top tip for the day is, did you know that you can scroll through recipes or look on cookidoo while you're busy cooking? All you need to do is press on the little house button while you're busy cooking, and it will bookmark your recipe so you can come back to it. Then I can scroll to cookidoo and look up what I'm going to cook next or plan some meals. When I've done that, I can search whatever I want to, caramel sauce maybe. There we go, caramel sauce. Sorry, my angle's a bit funny. And after I've done that and I want to go back to my recipe, I can just click back on the bookmark. But I can also see where my recipe is at the top here. So just pressing my bookmark again to get back to my recipe. That's how you can search cookidoo while you're cooking something else.